don't know if I clicked that or not. That was just for me. Are we going to get 8 days not closing above the opening price? Probably. I gotta reset my internet or something. It's going slow. There we go. Back.
What's up, guys?
Sup, dog?
Yo, yo.
Comment right here about skirt.
You want a short right here? I don't hate it. I don't love it.
Yeah. I was short earlier. I covered at 105 on the drop down to like at 225 area. The bounce on this previous candle stopped me out on the rest.
Announcement looks like a nothing burger based off of this morning. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do anything. It certainly looks like it wants to try to go lower, but everything else is like just very mixed. QQQ could just chop and close here, honestly. 710. Just a big old pin, huh? SPY, the low of day was the 21 and the high of day was the 9. Classic.
QQQ low of day was the 50 and the high of day was the 21.
I have the 9. I have like everything up there.
Yeah, the 21 was at 713.60 this morning. Now it's at 713.16. The 9 was higher at 715.18 and now it's at 714.14. Then your 50 EMA is at 708.74.
Your 50 simple is at 713. Your 20 simple is at 712. It's like all stacked.
The main thing I did was that candle at 10:30 for the slap down. I longed the shit out of it.
Oh yeah.
Like SPX filled the gap. It went directly to like the closing price from yesterday, and I was trying to figure out what was going on. By the time I did that, half the candle was retraced, and I just market bought. Just spammed it. I feel like this short on ES is about to play.
Looks a lot better than NQ.
No touchies for me.
You can look, but you cannot touch.
No touchy.
I haven't done shit in the past hour. I'm just sitting here window shopping. Just actually scrolling through Amazon on a whole bunch of bullshit.
I just bought a metal detector off Amazon. It gets delivered today.
You gonna go find some buried treasure out there?
Yeah. Oh, look at this short, motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm gonna get up around like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Go watch the sunrise and watch the beach, or walk the beach with the metal detector, with coffee in one hand, detecting in the other.
That's awesome.
Your mags ain't doing nothing. Amazon just made a new low of day.
I'm looking at a gold short pressed up on VWAP.
Well,
It's failing 4,700.
I'm looking at this going, I don't see anything.
Gosh dang it, man. I should have hit it again. Probably goes now. Yep. Q's just took out that level. Fuck.
If this exhausts and wicks right back up, I think that could be pretty long, but it's just so much volume. Sellers are willing to sell into 230, 220.
Yeah, but if it gets down to like 200, then he just runs out again.
Watch him hold it right here and just bounce it straight back up to the EMAs instead of flushing it. I feel like they don't. I feel like they flush it. But then again,
You do have 708 growing on the Qs. But this is like your support on SPX.
that we do, donkey. That we do.
IB low.
Gosh dang it.
Fuck yeah, gold.
Gold short looks decent.
Yeah. Yeah, I got short at like 46.96. Like pressed up right on VWAP on 4,700. I think they're gonna bring this fucker down.
Are you trading the Z contract?
Yeah.
I was literally about to ask the exact same thing because I was searching it on TRADECandle, and I was like, "What contract is gold on right now?"
Well, this kind of looks okay on NQ.
This 30-minute looks gross. This hourly doesn't look great.
Yucky.
I'm gonna try it with 2.
You going long skis?
Yeah.
I want to do it, but I also just rather do it from lower.
Gonna risk 180.
I'm pretty close to just going and making some food now.
If it breaks 210, goes to 200, I think I'll probably do a little sweep there for a long.
I can long down here. This is where I could long. Internals are just so strong. I didn't even know if we're gonna break down hard.
Dude, it's been so weird. Voldy Q has been on a tear all day.
Yeah.
And then VIX was selling, but we weren't really like the amount of strength on the internals earlier. And Tick spent like 90% of the entire morning session over the 0 line. And then VIX started dropping. I was like, why are we not actually like at high of day right now?
Oh. I kind of like that gold short. Maybe you get 20 points or so on gold.
Havana, you're just retarded.
What?
Emp is literally short from like 40, 50 points higher.
No, I'm not.
And he's green.
I have one runner long from 200 points lower.
And you're coming down to the 4 a.m. support on NQ, which is where, if you're short from higher, you should be looking to cover. If you're not short, this is a good RR place for buyers to be present. So if someone's not short and they're scaling into longs here, and your short guy is scaling out of his profits here, your comment is absolutely fucking retarded.
Just for you, Ivana.
What's hilarious is that both of them are probably going to end up both very green.
I'm already very green no matter what because I'm pretty good at this FAFOing, I guess.
Look at this.
Oh, there's another account. Oh, I'm just
look at that guy.
Yeah, it's just FAFOing, you know, just FAFO. It's funny she came and say that. We literally had like a hour-long powwow earlier. Psychology. Whoa. What just happened? Get this off of the bottom of my screen. Gross.
Well, Walmart's still holding that little support zone down there.
What just happened? My whole layout just changed. The news that came out was like a nothing burger. It was a repeat of this morning's news. It was just like an official paper.
There's no mines in the Strait of Hormuz. I went and unplugged them all and threw them in the garbage. Dude, there's no way they got all the mines. No way, not a chance.
You know what's interesting? There's like boats going back and forth through. None of them have hit a mine yet. Like I feel like we haven't heard one report of like an actual mine blowing up.
Maybe they were never to begin with. Maybe they said they put them out.
Yeah. KC, don't go check your mailbox.
Dude, I have to. My metal detector's in there.
Nope, it's not.
It's not a metal detector.
Not a metal detector. It is a pipe bomb. In your mailbox right now. I have no idea what your address is, so might be the wrong one.
We'll find out on the news later.
All right, I'm just gonna go make some breakfast.
I'm about to call it a day.
Breakfast.
It's 10:30 out here.
It's 11:37 for me. I can't even drink yet.
Dude, 11:37 is not breakfast. You're almost passing the brunch time.
Some days I'm lucky if I eat breakfast by 4:30.
You're getting into the... You can have some fried chicken and mashed potatoes with gravy and mac and cheese right now.
Some chicken and waffles, maybe?
Brady, call it a day because you got smoked with all your options that you never touched or traded or called out or...
Let's go. Brady trades options on here now?
Brady, how did you get smoked on all the options without calling them out or actually taking the trades?
Let's go.
Let's go, dude. It's impressive.
I don't even have my options account up. So shout out to you, Havana.
Hell yeah.
You are not smart.
Really not smart.
I doubled the size of it. No, if you were in my Discord and look at my channel, you will see my plays. So nice job, Havana. Don't you wanta, Fanta? Don't you wanna, Havana?
Havana,
Someone close out. Always moves when someone... It gives me 50s, I'll take one. It's just not moving off these 20s, though.
It's not doing shit. So I'm out. I may or may not be back, but it's a nice day. I need to go walk my dog.
It's a beautiful day today. Actually have decent weather.
Laters.
Later, Brady. Ew. What? What are those? Those are like crispy mushroom chips with sea salt. Not sure how I feel about that. Oh, you have no humidity, Rick? Oh, that must be nice, dude. It's so humid here. Let me check what the humidity levels are right now. It's probably crazy.
Ryan, I'm getting my computer back this afternoon, so I'll have it tomorrow. It won't be such a pain in the ass, and
There you go.
won't get this blowback. I mean, it's taken like since we were in New York, really.
Took that long to get a new screen on there?
Well, they put a new screen on, and then I was locked out, right? So then I brought it back. I said, I can't get on. It doesn't take my password. And then they said, well, we need the side key. I'm like, what's that? So it took me a day to find that in Microsoft's a 48 number key. Like, are you kidding me? And I luckily found it, and they broke into it, and they took all the data off it. They cleaned it clear, and then they put the data back on. So I'm finally getting it back today. This is a $1,600 screen. But I
Better
paid
than a new
$100
computer, I
for
guess.
it.
Yeah.
Well, the computer's like a $3,500.
Where did you get it? Is it like Geek Squad or whatever? Is this Best Buy?
Yeah, Geek Squad, yeah. And they're good. They're smart guys. It's just that they're all over the place, and they're geeks. So they leave you a message and don't leave you a number to call, and you can't call Best Buy and get a person. You know what I mean?
Right.
They don't use their cell phones, so like they don't give a callback number. Everything goes to AI assistant, which is like completely useless at this point. AI is not there yet.
Oof, you're in Houston, 93 degrees, heat index of 105. Woo.
Flush this thing out. Just flush it out, and we'll buy it back up.
That's what I'm waiting for my next one, if it wants to give it.
I mean, SPX looks like it just holds right here. Yes, probably just a long. I feel like you could just get slightly long here. I don't like it, but I feel like you could long here and risk like 30 points, 40 points, and try to get
That's what I'm
90
doing.
upside.
The bid's here. It's just no one's willing to step in and aggressively buy it.
That was the exact same thing I said about an hour and a half ago when I went to lunch. And still the exact same thing. We're still here. No one's stepping. No one's participating in this, really, to get continuation moves for any kind of decent profit. You just got to stack small little gains and wins over and over to get a decent profit today. Mags aren't moving. There's no participation from your Mag 7.
I mean, it's the same thing again. You get like one great move during Globex, and like one decent move during the RTH, and then just a balanced rest of the day.
I don't know. We've been crushing Asia. I'm not sure if Emp left his runners last night, but they went like 300-400 points.
Yeah, I think he's still got one. I took most of them off at 250. That's my first set of trims, and then 400.
Oh shit! I closed and was in bed at 155. I think is when I exited.
I was telling him not to trim. I told him 250 is like my first trim.
If I could set a bracket order on TradeEvate after the position is opened, I'd be willing to leave things open and go to sleep.
Yeah,
But
I don't
you
know
can't.
why platforms don't let you do that. I can't with Sierra. I can send an attached order.
Yeah, that's literally the only reason why in the overnight session I can't do it.
What's Asia hours? It is, I think China opens, I think 4:30. Is it 4:30 or 4 o'clock Pacific? And then Korea is like an hour later, I believe. Korea is at 5 o'clock Pacific. And I think they wrap up at around 11 Pacific. I only know them Pacific time.
8 p.m. Eastern. That's where I go to work.
Yeah, it's the Koreans that are the wild ones.
Mm-hmm.
They only know how to like rage buy it or rage sell. It's absurd.
Yeah, I wish after I get into the position at nighttime, I want to see if there's something I can build to do this. But being able, and maybe if I utilize Trading View and build a strategy or use a bot or something and link it to my account, I can probably find a way to open up a bracket order afterwards, and then at the same time have it use a trailing stop. So if I'm up like 150 points, then just put a trailing stop loss, maybe like 50 points lower. And then as we move up higher to the top order of the bracket to take profit, the bottom order for the trailing stop just continues to move up with it until one of those two hit. Then you just wake up and it's been closed. There has to be a way to build that.
It's just not worth my time.
Netflix making a new high. What?
We're not even moving.
No, we're not.
No.
Classic.
The bid is here. It's just no one's. The offer's also here too.
Bookmap has stuff down to 200-ish.
We've technically had more buying, at least on the NQs, in like the last 20 minutes, but just getting stuffed by the offer. Just reloading it.
Tyler, you lied to me. Netflix did not make a new high.
Not a great look.
Liar. Liar.
Let's see if I can just get a break-even exit on this at the 25s.
Although, good for Netflix, though, being at 82.
Maybe it'll move once it takes me out, gets me out. Might just be the candle flushes as I'm trying to exit at break even.
Looks like a small little bear flag right here that wants to shoot it down, grab buyers near 200, and wick it back up. It is close, Tyler. It is. That it is, my good sir.
Alright, just exited break even. I'm just gonna call it a day. It's what, 1,500 points on NQ and 56 total points on ES today.
You caught 1,500 points on NQ
Total, like with my, yeah,
Like if he caught 300 points with 5 lots or whatever,
yeah.
1,500.
Oh, hell yeah.
I actually like that better than P&L. Just nobody understands it.
Yeah, no, just call it.
Are we really just going to hold right here? 220? I don't know. My food's almost done.
I just leave it up to the freaking Koreans to make the move tonight. That's what
I
they
think I
always
like yes. I like yes off of this SPX support.
I'm glad I locked up my XFAs too. I feel like I would have thrown all that away if I kept trading on those.
Yeah, SPX looks good off of this 65. Izzy, I think that's just if you you can declare for the draft and sign an agent now. I don't think it's like you can't go play in the NFL and then go back. But I didn't read the full report. How long this Hormuz thing has been going since? Good God, I don't know when. The Hormuz thing was it like end of February, I think, when it started? I don't know. I'm sitting here. If I hear news, anything, I'll call it out. I just turn my camera off because I'm gonna scarf this food down for the next 10 minutes or so. You're kind of your second lunch hourly close, your afternoon session kind of gets started here in about 4 or 5 minutes. So we'll see if maybe that brings some volatility or price action or something. Low expectations. Oh, let's go, Heavy D. Declared for the WNBA draft from the 7th hole. I like it. How are you shooting, Heavy D? Two under with a birdie chance. Dang. Everybody else roll out. This looks bear flaggy. But it just held support, so what do you do? All right, I'm almost done. I do want to shout out Crane Shares, Wolf Partners. Please go and read the prospectus, all that good stuff. But you've probably heard of KWeb, some of the other ETFs they have. Go in and check out all the different stuff. Shout out to Crane Shares. They are sponsoring the middle part of this show today, making this live free all day long. Go to craneshares.com, check out everything. There's also a cool newsletter that they have, by the way. Tons of research. This one right here, though, AGIX, really cool. This says public and private. So if you're looking for Anthropic exposure, some of those other things, obviously go in. Not a recommendation to buy. Just go in, put it on your watch list, check it out. KWeb, of course, you probably know. K-Star is another one that's been performing very well. Check out all their different stuff. I just want to shout out Crane Shares. All right, I'll be right back. Let me put up my dishes, all that good stuff, and then we will see what we get this afternoon. All right, we're back in business. All right. Yeah, it swiped 200, didn't clear out the liquidity. I need it to come down further before I really like it. And extend away from these EMAs so there's a decent chance to get it recovered. Don't be falling apart on in the back nine heavy D. We do need an update on the birdie putt. NYG, that was, you know how unusual wells always post old news. Oh no, you missed it? First off, Kesey stepped away. I think he went to get food, maybe. He stepped away for a minute. 5 p.m. Eastern, futures are closed, so that's definitely, I think you misheard it. 8 p.m. Eastern, he likes for Asia session. So Asia session kind of starts around that 8:30. The Asian markets start opening. But also the after hours closes. So a lot of times you see those two things kind of help move things around just a little bit. Is the gold short invalidated? It didn't reject where I wanted it to, but it is still red under previous day's close. But it is trendy up. And it got back over the psychological level. So I would say you don't really want it over 47.10 at the worst, but yeah, it's not looking too good right now. You basically you start putting in this, you wicked below and reclaimed, so you probably traverse back up here somewhere, if I had to guess. And the most likely thing is that it just holds right here and tracks back to the middle, in my opinion. It could fall apart in the end of the day if there's de-risking ahead of tomorrow, but I can kind of make both arguments. And my best argument is that you continue to hold this same spot, work your way back to the middle, positioning back set up a little bit, SPY SPX support right there where it's holding. The biggest magnet's back to 710 on QQQ, which is basically just the middle of this whole chop range. 710. Let me go down to 5 minute. 710 is right here, which is right in the. I mean, if I drew a, hold on, let's just for fun. We draw that as our box, yeah. 710, 710.20 is basically the midpoint of this entire chop that we've been having for the last little bit. Right now, you're just trending down with the EMAs. ES is not. ES is sitting on that support. Right here is where that gamma support is on SPX. If I go to the SPX chart, you can see it. 65 right here is where the support, like you can see it tried to reject it, got back over it, it's been holding it. So on ES, right there, same thing. This 80 to 82, 81. But this is just staircasing.
Yeah, a lot of numbers tomorrow at 8:30. PCE core,
GDP.
GDP, personal income, consumer spending, durable goods. So
Yep.
I don't know if they sell because of that. I the reaction to that, initially you get a reaction one way or the other, and it goes the opposite way. But the last couple,
it's more of
pretty
NVIDIA.
positive.
The only thing is we haven't really been running up, so like de-risking has kind of already happened. So if you look at like NVIDIA or the semis going into NVIDIA's print tomorrow, yeah, you popped up a little bit from yesterday to today, but you've basically had de-risking for a week. So that's why I don't see that there's much of a bid here today, but I don't see that there's like, I just don't know that it just falls apart either. I hope it does. I hope it just shoots down here and we can try it again. Google does look like volume into new lows here. It's kind of just doing the staircase thing right now in Q. Goes down a level, goes sideways for 4 or 5 candles. Down a level, goes sideways. Down a level, goes sideways. Down a level. Havana, na na na. Havana, you're not even a good troll. Like, come with something good. Like, you're just saying shit that doesn't even make sense. What? Dolly Parton died? Damn it. Damn it. R.I.P. Dolly Parton. Cerebrus says jalapeno with OpenAI will be with them or something like that. Hey, how old was she? 80? Damn it. Dolly Parton. Oh, man. I'm going to have to go home and go to the Dixie Stampede. Or I think they just call it the Stampede now.
Boy, we got one 2 hours from me.
Bro, Dolly Parton died.
Crazy.
Frank, you're excellent. You're excellent.
Did it say from what?
From what? She's riding her Harley down at Bike Week. She's 80 years old. What was that? One of those blue collar comedy tour guys said that. I think it was Larry the Cable Guy. He was like,
What we got right here, son?
"Oh, there he is."
We're gonna go detecting.
Damn it, Dolly Parton.
Seems to be working.
MYG, I read that as Google flirting with losing $345, not Google is flirting with losing the $345 level. Like, what do I'm flirting with losing $345 today. Frank, you're still echoing, by the way.
You might have stepped away.
I'll mute you. Frank, let me know when you're back.
Boy, we got the arm strap on too. Yeah,
dude. Take that down to the creek.
Yeah, I'm taking it to the. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna go take it down to the island, but next month we're going to the Haunted Mansion too. See if I can find some coins and some artifacts.
Some coin
from what, late 1700s through the 1800s, and see if there's anything fun. Oh, did they already start juicing up NVIDIA, the premiums? I told you. I said it this morning on Spaces. Be careful, especially if you're in if you're in SPX. Your premiums are about to start getting inflated from now until the close.
That's why I think like risk reward, trying to play some, like, you could almost play that. Casey Jones. That's funny. Holy shit, we're holding. Take that down to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Damn it, man. Dolly Parton. That's devastating. Have you ever seen the guys that like go they call it mine fishing? Or
Oh,
magnet
yeah.
fishing, I mean, magnet fishing.
Dude, so much
Those things are
so much fun to watch.
crazy. They find like motorcycles and cars and guns and stuff. Like I love watching those
I want to
videos.
find some old gun parts or some coins or something that are still buried down there.
And then the cops get all pissed off because they gotta they gotta like do the work. You know those videos I'm talking about? Like they have to call the cops because they found a gun, or one guy found like a some kind of like, I think it was some kind of bomb or like explosive or something. And the cops pull up and they're like, God damn it! Now we gotta all the paperwork. We gotta process this. Let's go to the beach. Like if we follow the same pattern, this is the candle that just gets wrecked again. But
Walmart.
always low prices.
Save money. Live better.
Yeah. Rolling them back.
Walmart. Roll back.
Damn it, Dolly Parton.
Roll back.
Come on, just rug it one time hard, please. Or push it. Do something. Do something crazy.
Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Oh, we came down and almost swept 200.
I know. So I think it's a long.
Be tempting.
It's like they're just holding that gamma spot on SPX. Failure to go lower, it's gonna have to go find more sellers. Google's finding sellers, that's for sure. NVDA, Apple. What are they doing to the dick? Oh, the dick's going down. Have you seen this, Casey? I didn't even know about this. They report. Oh God.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh my
got-
God.
They got
That's down
smoked.
30%.
Yeah, Nike got sympathy smoked.
Hell yeah. Let's go to the beach. Beach. God. CL's getting volume because it's the close. It's the settlement right now. It's like one of my favorite times to go try to short it. I think QQQ is going to go up 50 cents. There goes yes.
Dude, watch that have been the freaking long. We push it back to VWAP, and then we break over VWAP and pop up into end of day with MOC.
Or watch it just go back to VWAP on QQQ and then reject there and go right back to 710. Just pen.
I actually wouldn't be surprised for it to close up there in the 50s and 60s and just stay there. Hey, I just got an alert on Hood. And I keep getting an alert on AMD as well. That means it must be trickling around my
AMD is
480.
Oh, it's right back up there again.
Yeah, NVIDIA's starting to pop up a tad.
Yeah.
Whoa, is that candle on Microsoft real? From earlier? I don't know.
Yes. Yes, it was.
The
If you go the 1 minute, it actually has a body. Amazon looks like dog shit.
Mm-hmm.
The consumer is just down today. Walmart, nice recovery. Let's go to the beach.
How is I don't even check why I got the Hood alert. I'd imagine it's for upside. Oh hell yeah. Remember the 115 calls on the flow last week? Ooh. And my sold puts are probably printing.
I just need well, I want Bitcoin to go to 84, but I think it might just reject here at the 50-week moving average, which I did not see until this morning. You guys still awake? We're popping up. Oh, yeah, buddy.
Oh my goodness, they are popping it back up to VWAP here.
Run it. Run it.
Motherfuckers, dude.
Well, I guess I can cancel my buy orders I had lower. Son of a bitch.
Oh, Demon took an SPX lotto. He's up 103%. Damn, shoddy. Bro, guess who just got this this metal detector for free? Let's go.
Oh, yeah?
Hell yeah. I open up the box and it's not new. Someone had it before and sent it back.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works fine.
Did you test it out?
Yeah. Yeah, it works fine.
How'd you test it? That's what I'm curious about.
Oh, I have some things that are in the formal dining room that I was just walking around, tested it on keys.
You need to go like put a couple quarters like.
Yeah,
down
I
the
know.
bowl, see if it actually works.
I need some change. Oh, I actually have a coin right over here. But yeah, so I sent him a message and I'm like, hey, I can tell that this was used by somebody else and they sent it back. And then I bought it new on Amazon, but I can tell it's not new. I'm like, so how are we going to fix this, Nelson? Nelson's like, I can replace it for you. And I'm like, yeah, but I'm about to go on vacation though, and I need it. I don't have time to send it back or wait for the new one to get here before I leave.
Yeah.
I was like, so that can't work. I was like, if it's used, then the used items on Amazon are discounted because they're cheaper. I was like, and I paid for the new price of this thing. So I said, can they just issue a partial refund and credit my account since it's not a brand new item? Nelson said, yes, I can issue a refund. I said, well, how much are we talking, Nelson? He said, I'll give you the full amount. Would you like me to go ahead and process it for you and give you an Amazon gift card for the amount? I said, that would be great.
Yes, sir.
So,
wait, he gave you a gift card credit instead of a refund?
Well, I did that because I have to order.
We got to order something else either way. That's the way to go.
Yeah, so we already have a bunch of stuff in the Amazon cart right now for Everly for school and the movie room upstairs. So I'm just going to use the gift card towards that.
Yeah. There you go.
Jack wagons. Where is that coin? Let me throw the coin on the ground. Let's see if it works. Right here. All right. Here, let's throw the coin on the ground, but underneath like a blanket. Let's give it some resistance, you know. See what we can do here. And the video's starting to get a little perky.
Yeah. It is.
She's turned on. She's on. All right, see if we can find the coin. See if she dings. Oh, and it says coin on the little screen right here.
Wow. As soon as that did that, we just shot up another 10 points.
There. Coin. Found a coin. I like that it tells you what it is too. It's kind of neat. Because it has one for like screws and other small pieces of metal. Then it has one for jewelry. Then it has one for coins, and then I don't know what that other one is. That's kind of neat. Filter out all the bullshit.
Oh,
Oh, and there's VWAP on NQ.
mine's higher. Mine's at 62.
Let me see. Is this VWAP on
Oh,
TRADEcandle? Let me see. I got MNQ and MES on TRADEcandle VWAP right here.
Yeah, sometimes the VWAPs calculate differently, and I don't know why. Kind of like how Webull sometimes does it differently too.
Yeah.
Like I've noticed Top Step and TRADEcandle both, like it's like slightly off. I don't know if there's like a different like way of calculating it.
Yeah, Fenster. I got mine at 52 right here as well.
On SPX.
Oh, you're on NQ, right, Imp?
Yes.
Okay, I'm on MNQ.
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense too.
So yes.
SPX, really, there's not much between 70 and 80 on the 0DT GAX.
See, that's always weird too.
Well, it's because like you have different amounts of volume.
I know, but it's like, I mean, I'd imagine that you would probably should look at NQ VWAP
Yes.
over MNQ VWAP, but I don't.
Yeah, you should, because MNQ is just based off of what NQ is doing.
But I also mainly trade futures off my QQQ chart and not even my futures chart.
Yes, also.
Yeah. Like QQQ's VWAP is higher right now on TradingView. So if I'm going long or short up in that area off of it, yeah.
QQQ is like, yeah, for VWAP it's the best one. Because like NDX, you don't technically, like, I mean, you just can't technically have a VWAP.
Yeah.
You can have a TWAP.
Yeah, it's like SPX. I don't really care about SPX VWAP, like, at all.
Well, because there's no real way to calculate it.
Yeah. But yeah, for trading futures, I rarely ever trade it based off of a futures chart. I just have a 921 in VWAP up on my TradeAvate screen just as defaults, but I'll look at Spire Qs on my on my trading view and trade the futures off of those.
Like if I put M and Q next to it,
yeah,
here's what it looks like. VWAP's at 252 there, and it's at 262 over here. Previous day's close is 2 points different.
See, another reason why.
If you just always front run your levels, you'll be fine.
That's true too.
That's kind of what I do. I just always go a couple points in front of wherever the target is.
See, indicators can lag, indicators can lie. What doesn't is when you mark clear areas. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, those two. What doesn't lie is when you mark the same levels and zones in which buyers and sellers present themselves. Doesn't matter, really, if there's an EMA, VWAP, or something in that area. Those are just extra maybe tools of confluence to maybe boost your self-esteem and confidence to take this trade. But if you take all that bullshit off,
isn't that a Yo Gotti sign? Yo Gotti song.
What is?
Women lie, men lie, women lie, men lie. Women lie, men lie, numbers don't lie. And Lil Wayne was in it too.
If it is, I'm gonna make a clip later and quote that on there.
No, it was.
Dude, we're really popping 50 points straight back up to this freaking zone right here. Look at this bullshit, man. I knew it. Look at that. Oh. All right.
Women lie, men lie, women lie, men lie.
All right, ready?
I'm
I'm gonna have Emp pull this up for you guys. Emp,
Let's go.
Pull up QQQ.
On what?
30-minute chart. Show yesterday's price action, today's price action. All right. Go to yesterday's low. I'm gonna have you draw yesterday's low. Hit that trend line. Bam. All right. Now go to QQQ for today and go hit, I don't know, pre-market low. Oh wait, never mind. You already have the 2 levels on the chart that I'm probably going to tell you to anyways. Yep, never mind. You're good. Yeah.
Yeah, and
So-
you could even add like the 710 right here.
So for me, I said it this morning on Spaces with Jordan for longs today. Underneath previous day high, which was 709.9. I want to see 709 down to 708.758 area and buyer step in. And I have a little zone that's right there. You kind of already have the same levels and zones right there too. And then you have this trend line for the higher levels.
money.
Young money. YM. Dude,
I forgot. This was a banger of a song. I used to listen to this all the time.
Oh, no. Dude, don't rip it off this. I'm going to be sad.
I ain't gotta lie.
Stop
Numbers
going
don't
higher.
lie. G5 over sky. And shit, let them lie long as they ain't snitching.
Oh, my God.
And they ain't lying on me. I'm in the bed with 2 fine bitches lying on me.
All right, look, now QQQ is hitting VWAP.
Yep. I hope it just rips through here.
Dude, 70 points. Oh.
I want this to go back to 310.
All they had to do was sweep to 100 and I would have been long. And what they hit 202?
201, I think.
Piece of shit.
202, yeah. The funny thing is somebody shorted this right here.
Confluence levels were how you sideline because it didn't hit my spot. I was picky. What do you mean? I said it earlier. The only way for me to go long is if it comes that small bear flag breakdown, sweep 202, I go long. They didn't sweep 202 or 200. They hit 202.
And look, if you long
Ain't nothing I can do.
We watched this all day right here. This 65 area. This morning when we came down here, I said there's nothing below us. All the positioning's above us on SPX. We came back and held it. We came back, we held it again, and we went sideways on top of it for an hour.
Dude, watch that be a giant W, and we just ripped a 712.50. Just $2 higher into the close. Just makes a giant wombo.
Look, this cleared out. We just traversed this. 711's got a small one, and then 712's been sitting here all day long on QQQ.
Oh, Demons calls out 400% on the SPX.
Yeah, I love that trade. To me, like, that was worth a lot, like, because it was asymmetric risk.
Gosh, ripper. How many trades I miss because it doesn't fill my level or order at the spot that I wanted it at all the time. Ask Imp. Imp was long last night. He was trying to get he was trying to get filled for like I remember you were texting the group chat. You had like your cells for profit trims right above, and it kept getting like so close to it, and then it pulled back down.
Like
It dropped like 40, 50 points, and then it went back up, and then it stopped like 5 points shy, and it went back
like
down
3 times, and then it finally filled him.
It's like you
well,
you place the orders on the chart.
Gotti, I'm trying to count to 1 billion. My bitch Brazilian.
Sometimes they fill you, sometimes you miss it by a few. It is what it is.
Numbers don't lie. I am not the one. Yeah, I mean, what? Yesterday, I think it was yesterday. One of these days, I had a bunch of buy orders in it. It hit like the first one. No, maybe it was yesterday. Yesterday didn't. No, I had a decent amount here. I had a few more down lower. On the short, I think it was here. Like it barely filled me. One of these shorts, it barely filled me. I think it was this one.
Dude, I hate when I put like 2 or 3 orders on a dip to buy, and it only hits the first one, and then I don't get the rest underneath of it, and then it goes, and you only have to manage like 2 contracts, and you wanted like 6. You're like, damn it.
Oh. Fish tailing out the parking lot, leaving magic. 2 bad bitches and I got them automatic.
I got 2 bad bitches at the same damn time. Tell them.
To Future in like 2012 was so awesome.
Mm-hmm. I kind of want to short it right here, but I'm scared. Last time I said that, we dropped 50 points.
I wear Gucci, I wear Bali at the same damn time.
Baby.
Free bands.
How are the internals looking? We still cruising? Oh yeah, we're still cruising.
That was the other thing. So like once again, just lining up the confluences. I didn't want to short because one, we gapped up above the previous day's range, came back into it. More times than not, you come back into it, hold the upper value and support off of it. 2, all the positioning on 0DT was above us all day long. There was no orders below us. Bookmap was showing nothing really below us. We supported pre-market yesterday, all in that area too. And we had a nice like V-shaped whatever last night.
Hi. What'd you get?
Was it yesterday at the close? Voila, magic. Do you see SPX going to be open or 50% of the 5-minute opening candle? The only thing I see SPX holding this and then failure to go anywhere, so pushing away from it. There is a slight draw to 80 up here, but this could still just come right back and pin to here. I think it's probably more likely that you go hit here and then come back and just, like I said, I think you finish probably the day in the middle. So if you do push up here, you probably finish right back here.
Kind of want to take NVDA again.
Long?
Yeah, I took calls this morning right out of the gate. Took it up to the daily 21. Kind of want to do it again.
So since they have Wednesday expiration now, those things expire before you get the earnings report, right?
Yes, yeah, because those ones would.
That would be more tradable than, because it wouldn't have the earnings IV baked in. No ceilings. I got this chrome on this Bugatti. I'm strong in this Bugatti. 2V8 ain't no such thing as driving calm in this Bugatti.
Oh, that's a new tab on TRADEcandle. What does that say? TP stop loss, none. Nice. Strategy 1 showed in ticks. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna get a little crazy. I'm gonna put a buy order down if we retest, and we'll just see what happens. I wouldn't mind buying like a 240 back test. VWAP so far rejected nicely though for scalping well, man. Breaking base over that though. I think we can rip into the close. I think NVDA can rip. It's the gamma, dude. It's still up there. Oh my god. Go to your bull flow. Type in NVIDIA.
No.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! I clicked the wrong. Where?
Your gamma chart.
Oh, heat map.
Yeah.
Dadgummit, dude! I keep clicking the same stupid.
You don't have the terminal?
I keep clicking on build your terminal. No, I haven't built it.
You gotta get that, man. That way you can see all of that. Go to the chart.
Chart.
Look, you can't even see them. You want to know why? Just scroll up on the chart. Because they're all... Keep going.
Oh.
Because it's all the way at the top.
Good God.
Dude, 230 is where it is on the heat map.
Yeah.
Fucking gnarly. That's why I took them originally this morning, and then we just came back down and hit the same low. It's nutty, buddy.
Yeah, well.
Oh boy.
Dude, I've just got old school future playing in my ear. This is the best.
Oh, whoa. One of my positions just safety trimmed.
Oh, let me see. Hold on. AMD, new high?
No, you're never going to guess this one.
Like,
because I've never traded it before until today.
Like Procter and Gamble or something? Hold on, let me think. I could just go cheat and look in the look in your Discord.
I sent it in the group chat earlier.
That'll be faster. Oh. Interesting.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, bad boy just made a new high of day, just slow cruising on up.
UNG.
Dude, mRNA calls are still flowing in. Yesterday was wild for the flow. Freaking ripped today, and there's still more flow coming in.
No, I ain't lying. It's a lot on my mind. It's a lot on my plate. But I never complain. I was working a weight.
It's that natty gas, baby. Dude.
I just fucked your bitch in some Gucci flip-flops. And I made them lick lock. And that's the coding coming out.
I want 1050 on this one. Then I want 11 and 1150. Would be insane. I don't think that's going to happen. I think I can get 1050. But nice daily trend line hold. Nice squeeze on the daily. Dude.
Got an hour left and we're trying to flag out.
I want these calls again on the video. I really do.
Ooh, book map. 270s, 300s.
Ooh. Snapchat.
Ooh, 280s now. They're moving. Do you see this order moving right here?
They want this thing higher. Bishop snap calls are at 50%. What's going on with SoFi? What?
Oh, they were just guessing that was what you were trading.
Oh, okay. Well, my Discord's talking about it too.
I thought it was a trap.
Yeah, it's at $19, baby. I don't know. No, I sent. So first off, I opened up this trade and called it all out at the Wolf Summit. Talked about the SoFi $20 call leaves. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Dude, I'm still in it. I bought the shares. I bought them down there when it bounced at 15. All right, I sent the tweet out. I said, call me crazy, but I'm buying SoFi here. I bought the shares. I bought the leaps. Nobody likes SoFi down there. Now SoFi is pushing to the top of the zone, and everyone's like, oh, we love it. It's going to break out. I'm like, yeah, probably. And you're just going to pump my bags even more. Tell me this weekly. Look at the weekly chart on SoFi and tell me, like, right now, this is not going to just moonshot at least to the daily 200 SMA next week. And then you know what? After that, just send it to 25. She wants it. She wants it.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher.
There's no way Walmart just made a new high of day. You're lying.
Ooh.
There's no way Walmart just made a new high of day.
No, it did not.
No, but it is up nicely off my zone still at 104.45. A high of day on Walmart's like 106.07.
Our poppy outside. Walmart did not make a new high of day by 1 penny. My high of day is 106.07, sir.
See, look. I said I wanted that short right there, but I'm scared. Last time I said it, they sold it back down by 50 points. It looked like they ain't gonna do it again. Be interested though, see if they bounce it up 40, 42. They just have big volume on Snap. Bishop's up 66% right now on these calls.
OpenAI just finished the next pre-train, codenamed Bell, their successor to Doug, which is expected to be the base for Astra and GPT-6. Bell is a giant pre-train with over 10 trillion total parameters, similar in size to GPT 4.5, and potentially even the base for an AGI threshold model.
I did. So cool, See, this is why QQQ VWAP is better than Futures VWAP. Look at this rejection.
Yeah.
The best.
And
Also a trend line there.
the other thing you can do is just put an anchored VWAP on today. Like a New York, just call it like a New York VWAP. So I can go here and I can go anchored VWAP and just throw it on the opening candle. And look at that. New York VWAP. Gang shit, that's all I'm on. So I think I have my new theme song for trading. Here.
You know what mine is?
What?
Hustling by Rick Ross.
Well, I like that.
That is mine.
I like Young Dolph. I'm everything you want to be.
As a goer. I've updated this Walmart chart like 4 times. And it's just ripping.
What's up, boys?
What up, gang?
What in the
Jordan,
world?
this is my
What am I listening to?
my new theme song.
Wait, we can listen to this?
No.
Don't ask me how I do it, I just do it.
Getting
Don't ask me how I do it, I just do it. Don't ask me how I do it, I just do it.
Jordan literally thinks that's how I trade.
I just do it.
Yeah.
Hey, don't ask me how I do it, I just do it. Yeah, I just do it. Yeah. Hey, don't ask me how I do it, I just do it.
This song is perfect.
I just do it. Yeah, started out with nothing but wanted everything. Turned it to reality, started as a dream. Ran that money up and I built my own team. Grew up watching Master P and Baby on the TV screen. Yeah, I had to hustle my family full of dope fiends.
Oh, let me find.
Don't ask me how I do it, I just do it. Yeah. Hey, don't ask me how I do it. Play in the dirt, now
Oh, here's it.
fights. Used to play in the dirt, now we covered in ice. Don't ask me how I do it.
Oh,
I
this,
just,
this part here.
first I pray for
Right here, this line.
catch what I'm about. First I pray for it, then I hustle for it. We just living life. Wake up and roll the dice. Put everything on the line, you gotta sacrifice. Used to play in the dirt, now we covered in ice. Don't ask me how I do it, I just do it.
Tough. Tough.
R.I.P. Dolph.
R.I.P. One of the greats.
We might get a strike on YouTube for that.
Honestly, so worth it. Don't care.
That was worth it. Don't ask me how I do it. I just do it. I'm gonna start just responding that way to everyone. Jordan, you done much today?
Yeah, I took too many trades, but
Too many?
mhm.
Hell yeah.
but kept it small risk and
I like did the
was,
opposite.
Was able to.
I took one trade, I think, all day so far.
I like ended up hitting a banger. I hit a nice top tick. I shorted at
What,
119. Market time at 255.25, and I took it to those lows at 223, and then I was trying to hold a runner for. I was thinking we were gonna move to the midpoint of that wick we made this morning at 10:30, but we just don't want to go there. So
No. There's too much.
I tried to hold it, but wasn't good enough, and got stopped in profit on the rest. But I was in 8 contracts, and I took 7 off at 30 points at that low, and then I was like 500 something bucks, and then I got stopped on the one runner. So like whatever.
Natty gas is pop.
But made back my losses. All that matters.
There you go. Did you finish the green, I guess?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ho ho ho! Yes, baby.
Yeah, we had a little profit to it as well, but I mean, small day on the profit side, but just more of a risk management day for me.
Don't ask me how I do it. I just do it.
Trim that natty gas.
Don't ask me how I do it. I just do it.
I got so much.
I hit my TP on that trade while I was in the shower.
Eating an orange.
I wasn't eating an orange. I should have been
What?
for the video, though.
Damn, that's crazy.
What a liar. This guy's a poser, huh? I don't know
Yeah.
why I picture just every time you go to
It's not every time I take a shower, okay?
now the thing, Jordan, that I've been watching is just the positioning has been above us all day. So plus since we gapped up above previous day's high.
I agree. I was looking for higher all day. I had tried a few longs. That didn't pan out, but I agree. I was looking for a higher all day. Didn't end up getting it. Played some shorts.
What do you got?
I'm goody.
What is it called?
Lo tomé
So what is it?
y sí me gustó.
Ah,
Ya no había.
no? Pero esto qué es? What is it?
El boleto.
Paleta? No. Popsicle. Popsicle.
No me gusta
Popsicle.
What kind of popsicle?
Paleta
What
de
is this?
popsicle.
¿Cómo se dice popsicle en español?
Esto.
Ah, ¿Cómo se llama este? ¿Cómo se llama este?
Co.
¿Y en español?
Yeah.
No me te.
Pa.
Pa.
Le.
Ta.
Paleta.
Paleta. Mm.
¿Cómo te va a hacer? Go throw it in the trash, okay? Hey, go throw it in the trash.
La basura. La basura.
What I like. Casey, I just got my passport. How do I know if I got the code 09 for the do not detain list?
No idea. I never worked on TSA.
Yeah, that's a whole different.
Never met a gang member with a passport.
That's fair.
Facts.
Bags.
I've
We said that at
never.
the same time.
I've never like seized a bunch of shit from a gang member, and within that was a passport. Not once. It's not my forte. I don't really care about their passport. I really just cared more about drugs and guns.
Kind of drugs you got?
Seen just about everything, man.
A little nicotine, a little ibuprofen.
I got roasted yesterday. Gosh,
Yeah. What was his name?
a little bit. Wow. His name was Puerto Rican Son. That son fucking cooked me.
You ever seen purple heroin? It's crazy looking. Looks like
Dude, you could have left the word purple out, and I would have. I could have still answered the same.
but it just looks like pixie stick.
That's not good.
No, it's not good when you pull it off a dude who's got like 2 kids in the house around the age of like 4 and 5.
Damn it. You are doing it wrong, sir.
Crazy.
QQQ. Oh, right back through. Oh, SPX right back. Right back to the magnet, huh? Is purple better than black tar? Boris, we got a question for you.
Well, that is indeed 50-point rejection for the short.
Right off the VWAP.
Fucking A. I know it's popping. I can't say it on stream though, because they don't know I'm in it. I can't say it yet.
What?
It needs more time.
What?
I'm in another swing trade on another stock that I've never traded before either. Yeah, a little bit.
Take a look and see what it is.
You gotta dig through it because I've been sitting in it for a minute. I've traded a lot of other things since then.
Damn it. All right, I don't care that much. I'll just wait. you got 2 scrolls out of me, and I was like, all right.
Make sure you do take a little trim here though on Natty Gas. I mean, since the volume this morning for this pop, I mean, it's just been nice and easy green, just slow and steady. Slow and steady, that wins the race. Slow and steady, that wins the race.
OpenAI's head of data centers just left the company.
Let's go.
I just put in the chat, guys. We got a link for TradeSyncer for those that are doing the copy trading with myself. If you want 30% off, use code WOLF, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go. I put the link in chat, but I'm gonna make sure it's in our description every day so you guys can find it. But that is now there. So if you're on TradeSyncer, use code WOLF. Get that 30%.
Oracle getting wrecked on that. CoreWeave gonna get hit too?
Oracle getting smoked.
Yeah. That headline I read out from the Wall Street Journal. It's bouncing hard. Don't ask me how I do it. I just do it. First I pray for it, then I hustle for it.
It's
When do we short CRCL again? Whenever you want. Frank, you are unmuted.
Am I?
Yes.
yes, sir.
I've been listening to the boy from Arkansas rap all day long. It's just a lot.
Which one? Oh, which one?
Crazy.
501
So-
BZ?
I bought SPX calls earlier, and I bought SPX puts about 20 minutes ago, and I made a couple $100, just one lot. That's how I'm keeping myself busy this afternoon, trying not to make a mistake. I don't know. I'd like to see him close strong. I'd like to see him a little weaker here right now. This is boring.
Something crazy's going on with that stock right now. I don't think it shows up on the gamma. Oh, no, it does.
I'm bored. What was circle? You can probably short circle at 100.
Oh my goodness, dude. Freaking the long and the short. Fuck me. Yeah, Palantir 170 puts coming in for 828 expiration. Let me see what's going on. I mean, your flow's kind of mixed on it because you have 1.07 at the bid because you have a lot of those puts that were sold. Then you have 1.09 million at the ask. Recently, within the last 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you've had about 500,000 come through.
Oh, Snapchat's about to be a fat short again.
I know Bishop's in these calls right now on it. He's up like 7.
Fat short coming in. Good God, dude, this is the worst stock. I remember somebody was asking me my price target on Snapchat. I just said
0.
OTC. Delist that, but it's terrible. There's no way.
Hinge 1 hour big liquidity sweep. Hinge Health.
Hinge, isn't Hinge the dating app?
I think it
Yes.
is. But there's Hinge Health. I hit the daily 9.
Hinge Health. Huh?
I mean, it looks like a bull flag on the daily. It kind of broke out. Even
Things,
felt the handle
things
edge.
up. Things up 200% in 3 months.
It kind of cup and handle breakout could retest right here.
I got hurt here buying off the bookmark info. What? What happened, Oscar? What is
He
this?
bought 'cause he
Oscar?
saw the green bubbles got him, dude.
What is this? What does that
The
even
green
mean?
bubbles got him, bro.
What are green bubbles?
Okay.
It's a fair value bubble right there. Yeah, you see.
Damn it. There's a fair value gap in the orders that were removed.
Yeah.
Right. You want a long?
No,
No?
I don't. Only if we like sweep lower.
Trend line.
I agree. Take it to the midpoint of that wick from this morning, 10:30 wick. See that?
Real box Chevy. Okay, you got bulled up at the half. I just don't understand that.
Big black box Chevy. Crank my car. She be humming. Rim so big you can see me coming.
What in the world? Connect. There we go. I mean, so here's the question. You didn't want to buy it here, but you wanted to buy it here.
Hell yeah. That's how you trade.
Or
It's
you
fucked
saw
up.
this hold and you saw this and you didn't want to buy here, but you wanted to buy here.
SpaceX put credit spread swing 120 sold, 110 bought for 918 expiration, $100 on the premiums. This is the one and only time I will look to be somewhat bullish here on SpaceX for the time being. We are 3 for 3 shorting it. Let's see if we can go 4 for 4 like
Oh.
Wendy's, but get a long in there.
Broke Dad is $20 away from passing his eval on Blue Wave. Let's go.
Let's go. Hit this long right here and get funded. Ugh.
Brandon, you're shorting Snap? I don't hate it. I feel like you could just short Snap anytime. And more times than not, you're going to win. God, you know somebody is still long from 77. Ouch. Now, this I could see for the trade from here to exactly right here. You have a clear flag, falling wedge, whatever you want to call this. And you have EMA, SMA support. This was a trade setup that played out and it's over. Or it's major trem runners only to maybe up here.
But it's far from over.
You don't know value Snap is cheaper than it ever will be. What about when it's bankrupt? Will it be cheaper then? What does that even mean? Does anybody know what ticker AOL Instant Messenger is? Or MSN Messenger? Can I go? I went along one of those. What about MySpace? Does MySpace have a ticker? I mean, look, if you're trying to play a value trade setup, I get it. But if this is the chart that catches your attention at all-time lows, below IPO price, below the 2018 lows, in a dead and dying company that can't manage its money, They overpay creators to be on there. And that's part of the problem why they just keep going down.
Gotta get them to monetize the kids like Roblox. There, boom.
To Snapchat, what Snapchat has literally been replicated by 6 other apps with more daily active users. Snapchat
just stole the YouTube model.
Dead.
Let me put ads in between your Snapchats, bro. That's all it is. Yeah, like tons of kids use it for sure.
Instagram,
but just having
WhatsApp.
users doesn't really qualify for anything. Snapchat could sell those users one day and fucking still cease to exist as a company.
Snapchat's. What are their? Hold on.
If anybody's defending Snapchat, it should be me, and I'm not. Tell you something. I think if you want to be speculative and take a small portion of your portfolio and like, you know, take shots at spots where you think something might happen, I think that's fine. But, you know, if we're looking for real growth, real places to put our money, I don't know how Snapchat becomes one of the top looks on that. But like, obviously, we're all gonna have speculative ideas, and you can fire shots on those as long as they're small, not a big portion of your portfolio. And if you truly believe Snap is like here to stay, then you take those shots. You just don't do it with your fucking savings. You know what I mean? You do that with a very small portion of your portfolio. Nothing wrong with taking shots and being wrong or being right. Like, we're here to take those shots, but we got to know which shots are probably higher quality than others. And looking at Snap, looking at that chart, knowing the company that it is, probably not the highest quality shot you could think to take. You know,
like Snapchat stopped growing. Like you can't like the actual numbers even show it. I remember looking at it. Like Snapchat hasn't grown in a year. I think the last 3 quarters they've had the same, like, by growth I mean like they've had, I think it's like what, 5% or 6% has been their growth rate over the last like 4 quarters, which before that it was like 8, 9, and before that it was like, you know, 12, 15, 30. Like it's just decelerating like crazy.
IWM's popping. Spine cues are still sitting here.
just think about the opportunity cost on Snapchat. If you're a holder of that over the past, you know, few years, I mean, fuck. The opportunity cost and basically every other name you could see on your watch list. Fucking insane. You're just letting money burn for no reason.
And I'm gonna let it.
And it doesn't matter if you end up being right 10 years from now. You're wrong now, and the opportunities are passing you by now. Doesn't matter what's to happen later.
Moderna new highs pop with volume after that call flow.
If I remember correctly, one of the last quarters, they actually like lost daily active users. Can you imagine like losing daily active users in a app that only makes money off of gaining active users?
Not good.
And getting more competition every day. I get my nudes from Snapchat disappearing messages. Sometimes WhatsApp. Oh, did you guys
be a
see
real man and iMessage that shit.
Did you guys see the 49ers? The 49ers owner got busted for prostitution.
I saw that.
Yeah, I did see that.
Dude,
Crazy.
they picked him up. He responded to an online ad for $140 and went to a trailer park in Ohio. This guy's worth like $500 million, by the way.
What the fuck, dude?
Wifing
You're worth
kids and
$500
everything.
million, and
No,
you
he
do
filed
it.
for
Wifing
divorce.
kids freaking
Filed for
comes from a
divorce, man.
family of freaking bajillionaires.
You have $500 million, and you said, Let me pay $140 and go to this trailer park and get some screen
What a fucking oh my
in
goodness.
Youngstown, Ohio. What are you doing?
What a
How are you-
LARP, dude.
How do you not have like a liaison? Like, you couldn't have called like Deshaun Watson and been like, "Hey, do you know anyone in the area? You a good massage therapist that I can go?" You know, what are you doing?
Homie was just looking to feel something. That's like taking a trade just to take a trade, bro. Literally. He was just doing that to feel something.
Or you know, like
I
the
mean,
FAFO scale, that was like
That guy must be lonely, dude.
that wasn't even a big one. That was like a 1 on the FAFO scale, and he still found out.
Should have hit stop loss, dude. Yeah, he should have stopped out of that one way quicker. Crazy.
He should have called Robert Kraft. Could have kept himself out of trouble. And the funny thing is, he got charged with that. They lowered the charge or whatever, changed the charges around. But like one of the charges he got was it criminal tool or something? What, I can't remember what it's called in Ohio. But basically, like, you use a tool to commit a misdemeanor, you can get charged for the $1,500 fine. And his cell phone was considered the tool for the crime. So because he had his cell phone in his hand, he got an extra $1,500 fine, a misdemeanor. Like, it doesn't matter what kind of rough patch you're going through. When you're worth that kind of money, just go to the local watering hole and buy some like double shots of Belvedere or something. Like, what are you doing? Damn it.
Broke dads, I hope you just got funded, baby.
I mean, here's the thing. I get it. Like, you're lonely, whatever. You're just making excuses at that point. It's like a drug addict making excuses. Oh, just, going through a rough time or whatever. So I decided to, go buy some heroin, the purple one.
Let's go.
Just man up, lock the fuck in. Lot lizards need love too.
Lot lizards.
He probably would have been fine if he would have went to the pilot or the TA travel stop. Love's gas station. Probably wouldn't have got busted. The funny thing, there was people like, I want to see what the girl looked like. I want to see what the girl looked like. There was no girl. It was a sting operation. It was a fake. It was a fake announcement.
It was fake news. Look at SpaceX popping right here into the close. Damn, it's like that trade right there that I just called out. It's gonna work. It's nuts.
Maybe he thought it was on sale and couldn't pass up the bargain. Cameron, let me just tell you, 140 in Youngstown, Ohio is the upper end. He went for the expensive model. If he would have gone for the $45 option. Also, 140, what a weird price. Why not 150? 125?
149.95. Meta starting to get a little perky. I mean, we long. I want to see 575.
Love says the best lot lizards. I'm wondering what 140 at Ohio trailer park gets you. That is everything. I've taken one trade for $200 today.
Meta gonna make a new high of day before MOC.
Nico, that does make 140 is because you're probably. It's I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. Like 150 would be better, and if the guy goes and gets 20s out of the ATM, like there's just $10 tip on top because you're not going to ask for change. All right, we got to steer this conversation back. That was wild.
Go Meta. Go Meta. Go Meta. Go. Go.
There's like a college there too. Like, what do you? Come on. You guys remember when Urban Meyer sent the team home and he stayed back at the bar to cheat on his wife? What are we doing?
I said before MOC. I didn't mean in the next candle. Meta, new high of day.
Walmart and Sam's, but you think 140 is paying a lot. Bookcase, 140 in bumfuck Ohio at a trailer park is overpriced. I did see somebody comment under there was like he was tired of paying $6K in San Francisco, decided to go out to Ohio.
Meta. Oh. Let's go. Send it. Oh my God. Come on, Q's. Help Q's out. Broke Dad Trades, did you get funded on the Blue Wave account? Let's go.
And we hold the same
Oh,
area.
shit. Okay.
Right next to the
I might
middle.
have to manage here in a second.
What are you managing?
Meta. Oh my God. Look, the highest volume of the day is coming in. Dude, Meta's fucking ripping
What was
face.
that headline I just heard? Something about Qualcomm and season.
Oh my lordy. All right, contracts are now about to hit 1,000. Oh my God.
Jordan, I don't know about that meme you just posted. I don't know about that one.
No bueno. I'll send it to Evan. I'll see.
Yeah. I don't, because, yeah, I don't. I just don't, because of the situation. Broke dads, don't blow it on Friday.
You got funded? Let's go. Nice long, baby. Let's go.
Bang,
I asked
bang.
Evan. I'll let him be the decider on that.
There you go.
Yeah,
Who's
like 40
fixing
points right here. Just fucking ripping.
I guess what we held again. Question is, does QQQ just pin?
It's okay. I got a backup meme if if that one doesn't go.
Jordan, you hear about Dolly Parton? Dang. R.I.P.
I did. Sad.
Lost a good one. I've sat here and taken one trade today. The entire day. I'm glad I stayed away from that gold trade. Who reports today? Zoom? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom, boom. Into it.
Oops.
Pro Dad, big shout out for getting funded.
Nice job.
I want to take a trade, but I'm not going to. Unless something crazy happens.
Dude, my kids must be short meta right now.
Oh, yeah?
Get fucked, because I'm lost, baby. Dude, they're raising hell out there. They're pissed. They're sad. Meta's ripping.
Meta keeps holding that same area down there.
Yeah, take a guess on which of those daily candles I went long. What's behind door number 3? We got 3.5 minutes.
NVIDIA says Microsoft has first Vera Rubin racks. First operational. Boom, boom, boom. My supernova girl.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. What price would you be comfortable getting long term for Meta shares?
Broke Dad.
I would start accumulating under 400.
Or change your name to just Dad Trades. You change your name to Funded Dad Trades instead of Broke Dad Trades?
Funded dad trades. Let's go.
Hey. You don't have to give me any details, Oscar, but I'm glad you got it back. And let's take a look at QQQ. And let's take a look at the 710 magnet that we've talked about for 4+ hours. Oh, here we are, right ahead of MOC. Right ahead of data in the morning. Right ahead of NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. I've done nothing. I literally took one trade that I was in for 10 minutes tops. I longed like right here. Trimmed here and there.
Is it a long
stopped
again? What are the mags doing? Google's holding the daily 9 still. Amazon trying to make a little bit of a comeback, reclaiming the daily 21 before market closes. Meta got the ripper.
You got 15 seconds until MOC. 10 seconds until the market on close imbalances.
Here we go, MOC, baby.
There it is.
What we got? What we got? What's the juice?
This looks like absolutely nothing.
Did you already get the numbers?
I haven't seen the numbers.
Oh. IWM's pushing.
701 million buy on the market, 172 million sell on the NASDAQ, 10 million on the Mag 7, which is one of the smallest you'll ever see.
Ooh.
SMCI and Walmart are on here.
Yeah, Walmart got a little
These are
weird.
tiny. These are tiny, 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 tiny. Where would I reshort gold?
At the highs.
Probably at 47.50, 47.40, that area. Or if it breaks under today's low and yesterday's low. I don't know. This is a pretty big breakout.
Yeah.
I was looking at it just for a scalp with Brady, like intraday, but if this rejected right here, it was trying to go find this wherever it was, somewhere like right here. Oh, oil off a cliff.
Oil selling all long. Long.
Tesla back at bull trend. What? Oh, this right here.
Dude, that trend line on QQQ for that same spot for the long.
Oh, Tesla looks like a short.
Well, just watch for your sells back up in the 60s to 70s after it. IWM. That was the weird one. That's look. You just talk about it and all of a sudden.
Poppity.
Oh.
We're gonna run a 310, aren't we?
Holy IWM.
I could have just stayed long all day long. I guess I'm gonna try to close out my runner if we can see like 3 20. That'll be 300 points on the runner. Reminder, if you're trading prop firms, use code WOLF to get the best discount at whatever your favorite prop firm is. Unless you use Apex for some reason, then use WolfX. Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Lucid, Tradeify. If you're an options trader, Vanquish. If you want to trade perps with leverage, go to Vest. Doesn't matter. Code Wolf.
Broke Daz, we should have, after
Ooh,
you got
Ceasefire?
funded, just instantly started going long again.
U.S. Iran ceasefire reportedly nears. Bye-bye, oil.
So just swing calls?
Yeah,
Woo!
on oil.
Apple. Oh, Microsoft. Oh. Poppin'.
I mean, that's why oil going down is why IWM's ripping. It's literally straight up correlation.
Peace up. Hey, down. Swing puts in case one side.
Yeah.
They didn't say shit.
That's what. Yeah, that's honestly the right play. That's why I said when you said swing call, is that on oil?
I wouldn't doubt it, to be honest with you. You're going to see another headline after hours that's like, actually, no. And then we just like open up flat red underneath previous day low.
Pakistani and Iranian sources. U.S.-Iran ceasefire has been agreed upon, includes free navigation Strait of Hormuz, and will be announced in coming days. We are so back. If the AI trade comes back, bye-bye Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why am I getting another alert on Microsoft?
Because it just made another new high of day.
Goodness gracious. Over
Give it a
492.
little VI, keep it down on the low key. Because you know how it is.
Shot you were checking up on me. Apple's back at the daily 9, right into the close. Google's between the 9 and 21. Amazon's reclaiming.
Watch out.
Tesla's back at 350. Ugh. Take a get me. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
Oh.
Watch out.
When IWM breaks out of this little freaking wedge, it's probably going to be a decent little mover, little trend. It's looking like it wants to do upside.
Dude, I made so much money on the oil short last night.
Hold on.
Dude, my favorite is watch this be the actual announcement for ceasefire and like it actually worked. And everyone like just doesn't believe it and then just gets ran over.
I doubled the size of it, you dumb person.
And what'd that come out on?
RIA is the reporter, citing Pakistani.
It also says it's unconfirmed news. By Financial Juice. I don't.
Pakistani military sources and Iranian security sources told RIA News. That's Russia?
Russia. Oh, Bishop's now, not Bishop. Demon's up 516% on those SPX calls here. Oh, ripping.
Ripping, Lotto, rip it, baby, rip it.
Close over previous day high. Let's see. And yep, just over.
Intuit is out.
Fun day. Great day. Great day.
Well, what color's your guy?
What color's your guy?
Whoa, INTC. Getting fucked. Oh, that's not INTC. That's Intuit. I read that too fast. Cooked.
Intuit just died.
Cooked.
Good God. Just 50 bucks down. God. Take your time, broke dad.
Say, come get me. Oh, did we hit that note on SPX into the close? We did.
Good.
Bounced
God.
off 76.65 and hit 76.80. SPY just stayed in the same chop box.
Where did QQQ closed? 710.60.
Yo.
Under the NFP.
Just above previous day high, directly at your midpoint of the day's range. Oh, I just closed out my fucking trade of 8.
God, oil's getting wrecked.
Oh gosh, dang it. There we go. Finger ID. What is this bullshit? There we go. Or are those the numbers for INTU? Double beat. Revenue was a beat. EPS was a beat. guidance was ass.
All right, well. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? I don't think I want to get involved at all tonight. Unless we somehow clear 400, we go to 500.
I'll take a look at it, but if it's moving, I'll get involved. But otherwise,
There's support below us and a bunch of resistance over our head. I don't think it's worth it tonight.
all right, guys, have a good one.
See you, Frankie.
Pretty awesome day, really. I mean, it was slow, but like this morning was freaking crazy. That one wick, you never know, man. It made my whole day.
Let's go.
I should have shorted off the open, but I was already long NQ, so kind of hard to turn and short it. And my other account already locked out.
I didn't really short it either. I was getting like, I don't think so.
I mean, back to previous day's high was
They've been shorting every day in the morning.
Well, like the clearest thing was a short from here back to previous day's high. It was the only clear trade today. And then the fact that it didn't want to go any lower. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Thoughts on gold here? Don't do anything. Delete it from, like, if you're thinking about gold that much, delete it from your watch list. Come back to it in a week or longer. I mean, you shouldn't long anything on this kind of run until you get it to cool off and come back down. If you weren't long here or on this right here, you need it to set up again. Thoughts on BE? B looks okay. Held the 200-day. You had the Nancy news, I guess it kind of helped that. So that gap's been filled. I mean, B, if you longed here, this is your first stop. This 230 to 240 is your next stop. 235 is a point of control here. You have a gap fill also at that 230.
Gap fill.
Weekly doesn't look super great.
Bro, I ate an A5 Wagyu from Japan last night. 5 feet from Jake Paul.
You did?
It's pretty fire. Yeah, in Dorado.
Oh,
we went out to
yeah.
dinner at the Ritz-Carlton in Dorado. It's like this restaurant that's there, and everybody that lives in Dorado goes there. And here comes Jake in his little G-Wagon golf cart pulling up to the spot with his two boys. And yeah, he sits down like right next to us, right outside the room we were in.
Hell yeah.
All right, I had to close out my final runner right here because I'm out of time on this top step.
I think Gav said hi to him and then just kept walking.
What about NVIDIA? Moto Guru, they report earnings tomorrow.
Big day, big day.
NVIDIA, don't touch NVIDIA for probably 3 days.
Holy Wiseman.
$207 or like 202, 201 is support. Maybe 200 at the bottom end. Resistance is 217, 220. Gap fill at 225.
All right, guys, headed out. I'll see you tomorrow for Wacky Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone had a great trading day, and I'll catch you later.
All right.
Later, guys.
Later, brother. I think Trevor's going to hop on another day, by the way.
Yeah, I figured. Oh, I mentioned at the start of the stream was free all day long. Live trading stream wasn't a whole lot today. We had a great conversation around psychology there in the middle of the day.
Let's go. We love those.
And shout out to Leverage Shares for making that possible for you guys.
Damn right.
Go to leverageshares.com. Check out all the different things. I wonder how, I don't think my competition started very well today.
I don't think it started. I think they pushed it back.
To tomorrow?
Because when I look, because I was looking to check my portfolio and see how things were, but I'm pretty sure it got pushed back, because when I look, it says now it's an 8-day tournament instead of 9.
Oh, it starts
and there's
tomorrow.
17 hours. I think something happened and they had to move it to tomorrow morning, guys. So you have an extra day to make some stock picks. I might change mine. I don't know. We'll see. But get your picks in before tomorrow.
Oh, nice. All right. Well,
Tomorrow.
all right, everyone.
Change 'em.
We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Shout out to the crew.
Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Help us get out there in the algo. It's the only thing
You
we
already
already ask
know.
of you.
And go watch the new video that I put out last night. I put it out late, but it's out. Go watch it. Especially
Jordan
if you
is
don't know what
ranking content right now.
if you don't know what IB is, because we get that question constantly, and how to use it a bit, go watch the new video.
What is my gold prediction for tomorrow? I have no idea. No idea. The bigger time frame move is played out. It's overextended. Doesn't mean it's going to pull back right away. It needs a pullback or consolidation. So no predictions. We do get macro data in the morning.
What macro data do you have?
PCE and GDP. And personal income, personal spending.
Jackson Hole on Thursday.
Jackson Hole starts Friday morning's a press conference. All right, everyone. I'm shutting down the stream.
Love y'all.
See you guys tomorrow morning.